I get a call, you need to come to KlezKanada. I'm like, I'm not a klezmer. I don't know what you're talking about. I do Yiddish theater. And Jeff was like, Joanne, what you do is what we do. It's what we need here, is we need some of that. So the following year, I came thinking, I'm not a klezmer. I don't know what you're talking about. I do Yiddish theater. And it was like the door opened up, you know, like the little peephole went like this. And I was like, oh. And I went through and my life changed. And it was the first time I was able to live this Yiddish Jewish world. I'm in a kosher situation. Some people are davening, some people are secular. Some people have the egalitarian service and some people go to the Orthodox service. And everyone is cool. And everyone is cool with each other. And that's the biggest part, is that there was so much acceptance that these very frum people were very, very understanding and tolerant of all of these secular people, and vice versa, because we can be really challenging to each other. But you had in this world people interacting in a way that was so loving. And I fell in love at KlezKanada, and I really found another home. And I really don't believe that if I hadn't experienced this world and really lived in it with my whole body and my whole soul, that when I met my husband, I don't believe I would have been able to recognize that I could be part of that life and still be myself, because that was it. And he literally was like, oh, okay. I can daven. I can go to shul on Saturdays.